Hello there, this is Michael, and this is the weekly market forecast or update. Now we're looking at Nzdusd, Nzdchf, Gbpnzd, and Gbpaud currency pairs. But before we get into this currency pairs, let's take a look at our product, the Premium Forex Signal Service, which goes for $200 monthly. You get access to high probability trading signals that will take your trading to the highest profitable level. And to join, to be part of what we do, copy the link in the description below. That is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link in the description below, put it in your browser and chat me up and let me know you are willing to be part of what we do and to profit, right? So that's what we do, highly profitable trading signal. You can check the video on this YouTube channel where I posted a review of the last 1 month of this Premium Forex Signal Service and see for yourself how profitable it has been. Yeah, so thanks for listening. Let's go into the business of the day. Nzdusd. Now Nzdusd has been a bearish pair for a while now. So we should favor more bearish moves. Now we see the price is currently at the 0.61316 area. So if price comes, my prediction for the new week is that if price comes into the zone, the price comes from where it currently is at into the 0.62046 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone. I would expect a sell-off from that zone, and I would expect that it would come into the 0.60854 zone. Yeah, that's what I would expect. But if we don't get that and we have price push lower for the new week, if price pushes lower into a zone like this and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price violates that zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, that's above the 0.59858 zone, then I would expect a bullish move. I would expect some bullish momentum, although I wouldn't expect too much from it because it's a bearish pair currently. The pair is currently bearish, so we don't want to expect too much bullish move from the currency pair right now. So I expect a little bullish move, maybe into this zone, into the 0.60379 area. Yeah, so that's what I would expect for the Nzdchf currency, Nzdusd currency pair rather. Now for Nzdchf, what should we expect? I think it's been a bearish market for some time now. Yeah, for some years it's been bearish. So what should we expect going forward? Now we see that it is pushing closer into this zone, into this 0.56728 zone. Now what I would expect is that if price comes into that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would expect some sell-off into the 0.55026 area, or even as low as the 0.54468 zone. Now it might not come as close as the zero, it might not come too close. I mean, it might not come into the 0.55026 zone, but I expect some good bearish move rather, because this is currently a bearish momentum, right? So I expect some good bearish move, that could come as low as that, but might not. Yeah, so we should, watch that. We should watch that. What if it doesn't go that high? Well, if it pushes into this if it comes into the 0.54468 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would expect some bullish move into at least the 0.55026 area. and that will be my expectation for the Nzdchf. Simple and straightforward. So let's look at the Gbpnzd currency pair. Now for Gbpnzd, what should we be looking out for? Gbpnzd, let's see. Okay. I'll call this a range. I'll call this a range because it has not really been moving significantly in any direction. It has slowly moved upwards, but also as we've seen some significant bearish moves as well. So what would I expect from Gbpnzd? Well, if Gbpnzd, if price comes into the 2.06291 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would expect, a bullish move from that point. I would expect a bullish move from that point. But if price doesn't come into that point and price goes back into the 2.09294 zone, then I would expect and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect a bearish move from that point as well. And that's that for the Gbpnzd currency pair. Simple and straightforward. Now for Gbpaud, if we see price, we've been seeing that price has been in a range for some time now. We can look at that point. Let me point that out. See, price has been in a range for some time. So if we break out of that range, let me delete this. If we break out of that range and we come into this, if we come into this 1.91085 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect the market to fall into the 1.90102 area. Yeah, but if we see price crash below that and it comes as low as if price comes as low as the 1.86928 zone and gives us a bullish day close above, then we should see some bullish momentum. Now if we see price come into the either of the 1.88764 zone or the 1.88347 zone and gives us a bullish day close at any of those zones, then we should expect a bullish move into the 1.90102. That's what I'll be expecting. The Gbpaud pair it's actually a bullish pair in the long run, but currently I can't really say which it is precisely from the way I judge. There are other ways other traders judge on other traders judge trends and all that. But I've been in this market for years, close to a decade right now, and I can tell you a lot of times what is common is not really the real deal. People talk about higher high, higher lows. Sometimes the market gives you higher highs and higher lows, and it's just a deep retracement for it to continue in the other direction. So that's why I'm saying I'm not going to pick any, call this any, give it any name, whether it's bullish or bearish at this point, because it has been bullish for some time, but currently it is making some moves that might question if it is still bullish, and it might actually still be bullish and just be giving us a deep retracement at this point. So we keep our fingers crossed on that one. Yeah, so that's that for Gbpaud. Now back to our product. The premium Forex signal service is available for you. The Mike Earn premium Forex signal service is available. This will transform your life. This will transform your trading, make you massive profit and really profitable. Now my contact is in the description below. My direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can be part of what we do. And that is that for today, and that's that for now. Thanks for watching.